Log on to Naviance and select the Colleges tab, then click on View All Upcoming College Visits. Here is a list of the upcoming college visits. Please be sure that the session isn't full. If I am interested in registering for Colorado Mesa, currently there are 3 students enrolled out of 24. That means that there are 21 seats available. To sign up, simply click Sign Up. Double check to make sure this information is correct, then click Sign Me Up. To print your college visit pass, go to the home page and click on Document Library. Click on College Visits Spring 2018. Please print the college visit permission form. Check to make sure that the information at the top is correct. You will need to write in student name, date, signature, and student ID number. You do not need to get counselor's signature. A counselor will sign your pass when you attend the actual event. You will need to get kumu to sign permission. For example, the University of Hawaii is at 9:45 a.m., so you will need to get your Block 2 teacher's signature here. College visit expectations. Okay, these college reps have flown miles just to come here and share all about their schools with you. So please remember to be respectful, listen attentively, look at the speaker, and use nonverbal cues to show the speaker that you are listening, such as nodding, having good posture, making eye contact, and keeping your facial expressions appropriate. Interaction. Please participate in the discussions, answer the speaker's questions, and don't be shy. Ask meaningful questions. I do want to let you know that if you are disrespectful or are not an active participant, a counselor may ask you to go back to your class.